Nice one, Greg.
The Adventures of the Flame!
The flame! Thank God you're here. My father's being held captive in that building. Please save him.
Do not fear, I am the Flame. Ah, no, you see, that's a firework factory.
But my father's in there.
Is he?
They're going to kill him.
Are they? But the thing is, I'm made of fire. Oh, don't cry. Oh, all right.
Quick! Save him!
Get away from that! Nobody move! I am the Flame. Oh shit, did I just touch that with my elbow?
So where's this new boyfriend of yours?
He's coming. I just left him in the shower.
I bet you did, you saucy minx.
Oh, listen, guys, can you just be nice to this one, okay?
We are always nice.
No, you're not. You're never nice to my boyfriend.
That's not true.
Yeah, what about Ben? He was a wanker. Right, okay, but Philip, he is different.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, hang on. There he is. He's a bit old, isn't he?
How old is he?
He's intellectual as well. He used to be a lecturer at Nottingham Trent University.
So what does he do now?
He's,
Retired?
No, he's just in between jobs. He's unemployed. Philip Wolf, hi. This is Anna.
Hello.
Jane. Hi, Philip. And this is Sophie. Oh. Excuse me.
Oh my God. He's worse than Ben. What a loser.
What is it with her and old men?
It's because she doesn't get on with her dad.
She's doing it again, Henry. She's feeding those things. Can't you just do something? Kill her?
Darling, I can't go around killing old ladies. Not so near the house. Look, let's go.
Oh, bye, love.
Okay, call me.
Oh, Henry.
Brilliant, thanks, love.
Eastbourne, England, 6:15 a.m. Most people work hard all their lives, chipping away at existence, never putting a foot wrong. But for others, there lies a path less trodden. At first glance, Henry Keller looks like an ordinary commuter. But he is a member of an illegal criminal gang. A gang led by such rough men as Big John Mackenzie and Old Man Two-Patch Morgan. They prey on the disaffected and the miserable, enlisting people whose lives have taken a turn for the humdrum. They were once accountants, brand managers, system analysts. Now, they are killers and thieves. Men who would cut your throat for a deep-crust luxury BLT. Men who would listen to loud music on their mobile phones, then ask you, "What's your problem?" And worst of all, Captain Pike the Scourgoiter, Southeast Network's most notorious brigand.
You scurvy dogs! Are you ready today to plunder the rail?
These are the wild men, the fair dodgers, buccaneers of the tracks, the intercity raiders, men with an off-peak saver to high adventure, a single to destruction with a replacement bus service to hell. For these are the Train Pirates.
Live from the Palace of Justice in Strasbourg, it's Superhero Tryouts with your judges, Captain Justice, Lady Libido, and Dr. Fox.
Okay. Right. This is Mr. Speedo. Well, let's see what you're made of. Take your time.
No need. Brace yourselves.
Thank you. That was impressive. Did you go all the way to the high street and back?
Oh no, Moscow. Sorry I took so long, only I had to nip over to Singapore to pick some flowers up for the lady.
God, that is so sweet.
Well, that is a yes from me.
And me, and you can have my phone number too.
Foxy.
What did you say?
We both said yes.
Then, yeah, whatever.
Yes!
Right, congratulations, Mr. Speedo. We'll see you in the next round.
Great.
Right, this isn't going to work if you just keep agreeing with this.
What do you mean?
Well, we're supposed to be bringing our independent skill and judgment to this. You just said yes because me and Loretta said yes.
Gentlemen, I've been watching you.
Bloody hell, what are you doing up there?
I am the Raven. A myth to some, a nightmare to others.
What are your powers, Mr. Raven?
I have no need for powers, Captain.
No powers.
A man doesn't need powers when he has a body honed to perfection.
Oh, Mama.
And the keenest crime-fighting mind since Sherlock shit!
Mr. Raven, are you okay?
I landed right on my face. I think I might have shattered my hip.
You do realise your mask's falling off, don't you?
Oh, 1 second. You're that billionaire playboy guy, aren't you?
You're Bobby someone, aren't you?
No, Richard. No, that's not me. I better be off then. I'll leave it with you.
Oh, God, this hurts.
Goodbye.
Right. Right, well, who's next?
Stop playing snooker. I will play snooker with you.
What? What, from there? Must be joking. All right, what are we playing for?
That wife.
Oh, all right, you're on.
Rack 'em up. Follow me.
The Whore of Clapham. 100 tons of pirate train.
Farewell and adieu to you, Spanish lady. Farewell and adieu, all you ladies of Spain. Our captain's command, we sail for old England, but we hope in a short time to see you again.
The Whore navigates the rail network using abandoned branch lines. She can be anywhere in the country in just 38 hours.
First time, lad?
Yeah.
You'll be fine.
I just don't want to let anybody down.
What I wouldn't give to be in my first raid again. The smell of the diesel. The look of fear on those job-loving commuters' faces.
And never a better bunch than you'll find here.
Isn't she...
Isn't she what? A woman. I can hold my own on a pirate train just as well as the next man. Better than the next man. And you'll do well to remember that.
I was just going to say, isn't she quite posh?
Ex-management consultant.
Hey, that's my cue!
746 is usually the rich picking.
Aye, the season ticket between Brighton and London be £3 grand a year. Who could afford that but the gentry?
And they call us pirates!
It passes through Burgess Hill in 20 minutes. We're never going to make it.
Well, according to this SMS update, it's running 10 minutes late. Points trouble at Hassocks.
We can take the abandoned branch line through Pevensey.
Right then, set a course, lads. We'll have laptops galore by lunchtime. No more It breaks the pistons just like the Ballard.
You wait.
Gentlemen, welcome to the Scarsdale testing facility. My name is Commander Kevin Cheeks.
We know who you are, Cheeks.
Good. I'm the team leader here at Tactical Intelligence and Technology, and I'm here to guide you through some of our recent breakthroughs. Just a quick word on safety. I always feel a bit like Willy Wonka when I say this, but please don't touch anything as you are likely to be killed. Okay, first up, this can is going to be a great help to our men in the field. It contains a newly developed biomolecular bulletproof spray.
We've heard it all before, Cheeks.
You'll have every right to be skeptical, sir. I didn't believe it myself until I saw the proof. But this can is going to change the face of modern warfare. Allow me to demonstrate. Private Chicory.
Yes, sir.
I will now apply the spray. Cover your eyes, I told you. May feel a little cold, okay? Totally bulletproof. Private Chicory, if you'd go and stand over there for me, please. Private Cadman.
Yes, sir.
I would like you now to shoot Private Chicory.
Firing at Private Chicory, sir. So, are you sure, sir?
Yes, fire away.
Oh my.
Not in the head.
Right, time for another buggy ride. Let's go.
I can't see you, sir!
You can't see? Come here, let me have a look there. Send the boy up to the pro
Justice!
Aye, aye, Captain!
Never stays! I'll be the lucky ones!
Send the new boy up the crow's nest!
I don't know about this, Mr. Keller.
Don't worry about it. Your health and safety's giving it a thumbs up.
Captain Pointer! I can see her! 14 furlongs south to southwest!
Full speed ahead!
Aye, aye.
Give me speed! Come on, come on, come on, come on! Get going! Marvelous!
It's all right, boys. I'm okay.
Never mind, dear. It has been a good experience for him.
Stop playing snooker. I will play snooker with you.
Never.
Really? Well, prepare to see something extraordinary. Best of three.
The Adventures of the Flame!
Flame, help us. There's a bunch of guys trapped in there.
Right. I've had a bit of bad luck recently, so before we get down to all nuts and bolts with it...
They're trapped!
Can you tell me what your factory does?
Fire retardant blankets and fire extinguishers.
Fire extinguishers? Brilliant. Well, that's fine. Right. Fear not, I shall save them, for I am the Flame! What's the problem in here?
Gas leak!
Remember to check your equipment before we go, lads. You got your spare hook, your compasses, your network rail card. Ready for the jump, lads. In the
Clapham Junction, and then on to London Victoria.
This is your captain speaking. I'd like to remind you that sandwiches can be bought for £7.50 from a free room and buffet operative, and chicken inspectors will be patrolling the area.
Are you with me, men? If this goes well, I'll give ye all a shag. Except for him, he's too creepy. Follow my lead, lads. For victory! For piracy! For...
Go on, see. Come on, lads. What about that shag? Talk about that later.
I just bloody play pirates.
Please don't hit me in the face.
Come on, Hansel. What do you got? What the nuts are going on?
Sorry, sweetheart, yes. Yeah. Sorry, yes, love. What? I don't know. Just pasta. Pasta. And I'm not being distant, but just at work at the moment. This problem isn't. You're starting to break up. You're starting to break up.
Listen, dude, let me just...
Can I have a cup of tea and one of these?
Sugar in your tea, sir?
Looks like we got ourselves a yellow hat. Get back. Or what? Spot fine? I got a cheap day return, but this be a peak train. What do you say to that?
I bought a ticket for London Bridge, but this train's going to Victoria, so what do you reckon to that, huh? I paid for a child ticket, but I be 35. What do you think about that?
Did you guys carry guns? We've always carried them. Back up.
What are you doing? Are you gonna save us?
Maybe.
Come back, you coward!
Yellow hat's in the air, sir!
The hell with them! Blast him out of this cave! Are you both
He's got away, Captain!
I don't fear the yellow hats. Let them do their worst. Everybody, back to the hall! Go bring in the carriage!
As you can see, the stealth suit is completely translucent.
Cheeks, these men...
I know what you're going to say, sir. £180 million, but an invisible uniform would be a useful battlefield addition.
Cheeks. Yes, the uniform is invisible. It's just a shame the men are so...
Yes, sir.
Stark Volk fucking naked. We can see their cocks, for Christ's sake.
It's a remarkable effect. Moving on, let me introduce the future of troop deployment. We call this the Soldier Spray. Now, for the purposes of this demonstration, we are going to be assaulting this warehouse. The Soldier Spray can deploy over 100 troops in under 30 seconds. Take it away, Sergeant. Work in progress.
Hello, yeah. Right.
Code Admirals! Launch the anti-piracy squad to the Boldy Viaduct!
Yeah, they're on the way. Goodbye.
Darling, you're out of the code.
The game's afoot! I'll gobble them up! Captain Goiter, 'tis ready, sir. Pull over, Goiter! There's nowhere! You'll have to catch me first, revenue man!
I'll see you hang from the highest yard at Victoria! Go fuck yourself! What the hell's that? Bon voyage, me hearties! We have you now, sir! Come on, midships! Business together, beauties! Come on! Come on!
This is madness, Captain!
This is not madness! This is attacks! Stand by! Fire!
Oh, for God's sake. Any bloody excuse.
Keep watching, people, and you will find out more about The Wrong Door and more about bbc.co.uk/The Wrong Door. Next on 3 Tonight, it's Family Guy.